Hello, welcome to another adventure. Today, our destination is the heart of fun in Chamonix, Les Planards Park. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with children, and you want to start skiing in a relaxed way, this is the perfect pharma for your winter 2026 itinerary. We drove here directly from the center of Chamonix, which is super fast. The park has its own paid parking lot right at the base. After parking, you'll need to walk a little bit to the ticket office, but it's very close and the walk is easy. It's that little effort that pays off so you can arrive and start the fun without carrying heavy gear for too long. We've just parked the car here at the base, and check out how convenient this is. Just a few minutes walk and you're right in front of the ESF, French Ski School, building. This is the main hub for anyone taking group lessons. And look at the privilege of being here today. The day is simply sunny and marvelous. The contrast of the blue sky against the white snow here in the Alps is surreal. The view of the mountains surrounding the park makes everything even more beautiful. It's the perfect weather to enjoy the slopes and the Alpine Coaster. At the main ticket office, the pass options are quite varied for the 2026 winter season. For those who want to ski for a shorter period, there is the 4-hour pass. It goes for €29.10 for adults and €26 for children. Now, if you're planning to spend the whole day, the price is €30.80 for adults and €28.50 for children. The best deal for groups is the Family Ski Pass, covering 2 adults and 2 children, which costs €93 for 4 hours or €97.50 for the full day. Keep in mind that purchasing the ski card for €3 is mandatory. It's the rechargeable magnetic card used to pass through the turnstiles. And stay alert! These prices are for the slope access passes only. They do not include the costs for ESF lessons or equipment rentals, in case you don't have your own ski kit. And if you are with very small children who aren't ready to hit the slopes just yet, Les Planards has great spaces to keep the little ones entertained. You can't ignore the luge Alpine Coaster. This Alpine Coaster on ice costs €9.50 for a single ride, but you can save more with the multi-ride packs. 6 rides for €47.50 or 10 rides for €76. Extra tip, if you already have a day ski pass, check out the buy one, get one free promotion for the luge. It's guaranteed fun for the whole family in this spectacular setting. And for those who already have more experience and aren't just here for their first lessons, Les Planards also offers its own challenge. The park features a red run and blue runs that, although short, are very well maintained and ideal for practicing technique and speed without needing to head up the high mountains. A key technical detail, you'll notice these snow cannons scattered throughout the area. They ensure that even on days with less snowfall, the snow quality on the steeper slopes remains perfect for the sport. It's the ideal spot for anyone looking for a quick training session, wanting to enjoy the technical incline of the main run while soaking in this incredible view of Chamonix. And that was our incredible day here at Les Planards. I hope these tips on pricing and logistics help you out a lot with your trip planning. If you enjoyed following along on this sunny day with us, give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more adventures like this one.